All right, back in business. Crypto market situation update today with the Bitcoin in what may be considered as a surprising conviction, given the fact that we've been very bullish on the market. But again, at the end of the day, we knocked off big targets, right? Especially with the Litecoin taking out 74, and the Cardano we took out 61, 66. Beautifully taken, by the way. And at this point, I feel like there might be a technical, well, let's call it a downside reversal, at least on a local scale. And we're going to actually take action right here, right now. We're going to test the water, so to speak, and establish a small size position. And I'm going to explain exactly what I'm talking about. Here's the game plan. First of all, from a technical perspective, we see price action struggling. It doesn't look like it from this perspective, the daily chart, but I'm going to show you how it looks like from the weekly chart. It's more convincing. Price action is struggling to really break through the top resistance in this system. This is the Bitcoin we're talking about, right? So 45,850 is the level we're talking about, the main point of reference. And why do I say it's struggling? Take a look at the weekly chart with regards to that particular level, and I'm going to zoom in. What we can see here is a huge pullback. It doesn't look like it from the daily perspective, but here basically we'll kind of filter out the noise coming from the daily chart, and it's easy to see the pullback that's been happening this week, right? I mean, price has already been visiting 49,126. That's a massive pullback in 1 week, inside a week, right? And it's suspiciously closing the distance to 45,850. So my guess is it's going to be closing the weekly bar below, and then we're going to have a downside reversal. Pricing is going to come back to where it came from, the levels of 41,250 and potentially the previous lows around 40,000, right? It's probably going to continue trading sideways, and later down the road we'll have that massive breakout and the continuation of this bull cycle, but I'm not sure it's going to happen right now, right? By the sound of this pullback, it looks like a technical, a downside reversal is in the books. And like I said, we're willing to put our money where our mouth is and take some excess risk with that wild conviction. We're fully aware, we're going to be trading against the trend, which is not the ideal situation, but that's where we are right now with the Bitcoin, and of course on the background of the technical situation that we interpret. So basically, take a look at we're thinking stop loss level at this point, right? We're talking 46,000 is where pricing is trading right now. We're gonna have to place our stop loss level around the levels of 48,000, right? And we're gonna be targeting 41,000 and 251.08. We're gonna go all the way to the last digit with this one. And like I said, 5K, small size position. We're testing the water, so to speak. If price action makes it below 45,850 in the next 24 hours, convincingly, right, we're going to start putting some more pressure, doubling up the position size. The minute it begins to break through 43,679 here, that's what we're going to send in the third trade, right? So we're going to be tripling up our position size. That's the game plan before we hit the target, 41,251.08. All right, how's that for a game plan? Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Wishing you a nice weekend. We're going to be back on Monday, same time, same place. Take care.